Good morning.
Good morning, yes.
Y'all,
This is skin for me.
Okay,
thank you. We about to turn Mexico out for the rest of the weekend.
Okay, I'm trying to break my foot.
About to get lit. Okay, I don't know how to break my foot, but I do have fun.
Yes.
But yeah, his body coming through the day. Limping with a towel on, y'all. Get your
Alright.
I'm gonna take a shower.
Alright. The Fenty Skin fat water. I'm running out, but I saved enough for this trip, honestly. So that's what we are going to start with. I hope this lighting and this setup and everything is okay. I'm just trying to hurry up because I need to take some pictures before we check out. This moisturizer is so bomb. I'm almost out. As you guys can see, I'm almost out of this moisturizer, but I love her. Makes my face look so good. I literally do 2 pumps. I do 2 pumps on both sides and just rub that in, or rub that up, a bookie bookie boo. And I try to focus on the lower part of my face where it's been breaking out because of wearing masks. Using the Fenty Skin Hydra Visor. This has sunscreen in it, which is what is much needed. So I put this. Forehead. I need this everywhere. You want to say good morning?
Good morning, vlog.
Good morning, vlog. Give a little hand wave. That's pretty much it for my skincare. I use this at night. I feel like it is like miracle serum. Focus. This is the ÂME Skincare Oil Serum, and it smells like lemons. I believe it's called Lemon Drop. Don't quote me. Lemon Clear, that's what it's called, Lemon Clear. But this stuff, when you let it sit in your face overnight, it just, I should have put it on last night, but whatever. Alyssa, should I do my hair next or my makeup? Hair first, okay. I want to just run my hair. Oh, it's my damn. I might. Shot o'clock or no? Shot o'clock. I'm literally just gonna take this one piece and crump her. That is what we came here for. Okay, so boom. That's all we doing. That's all we're doing to this side, and then I'm gonna hit this other side real quick. So, okay.
And B for the name, baby. Yes, finally give her something. So we put on my necklace backwards. So I did.
Mexican streets now.
I'm glad I got y'all.
So I'm glad we decided to play safe and eat right around the corner last night because baby, you was not. As soon as we saw it was acting, they didn't even bring us our food yet. It was like, just bring it to go. We'll just eat back at the place. Yes. It was like we'll just take it to go. Huh? They took forever bringing our food out. I won't hold you. I told you.
Get activated or something.
Baby, the liquor was activated when you was in the pool.
Really? Wow. Wow, I did a lot of drinking after I got out of that pool.
Yes. And I was trying to.
I'm surprised I woke up this morning.
Me too. Okay, dog. Don't need security in the club.
Who goes out inside?
You gotta come. Alright, y'all, so that's it for this morning routine. I have my hair done, my makeup done. I just need to add my gloss, but I'm about to take some pictures and stuff, so stay tuned for the rest of the Tulum vlogs. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.